If you are wondering if Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 has Face ID, then the answer is partially yes. So, of course, we do not have exactly the same technology as on Apple devices, for example on iPhones, which they of course include Face ID, but we do have face recognition or face unlock feature, and more or less it is the same thing. Of course, if we talk about details like the technology behind it and stuff like that, it is slightly different. It works in a slightly different way, but the idea behind it in both cases is pretty much the same. So we use our face in order to unlock our phone. Even the front camera highlights over here. So of course, as long as you have it enabled, so you should be able to scan your face and then use it in order to unlock your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. And if you want to set it up, you just have to go to settings. Then over here in settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit and go to lock screen and AOD, then proceed to screen lock and biometrics, enter the screen lock password if you have one, and then here we have face recognition, and here you should be able to set it up. Leave a like and subscribe.